welcome to Sudermania. Today we're going to have a look at how to make a pair of waxed canvas trousers, also known as tin pants. So for this project you're going to need some greenland wax, which I have right here, and I made this myself using paraffin and beeswax. You're also going to need a pair of pants that have a cotton content of 65% and upwards. Come along. The first thing that you're going to need to do is to take a metal pot and fill it around halfway with water. Now you're going to take your pot of water and you're going to put it on the stove on the highest heat. And then you will take a second vessel. In this case I'm using a frying pan. I'm going to place it on top like that. Then I'm going to put my wax in, and then you just wait for that to melt. So now what you want to do is you want to take the molten wax and you want to start brushing it onto the pants. So now that you have a good coating of wax all over the pants, on both the front and the back, you're going to be using a heat gun or a hair dryer to melt in the wax into the fabric. So, once you're finished with melting in the wax into the fabric, you're going to have an end result that looks something like this. Now, you will notice the first time that you put these pants on that they're going to be pretty stiff. But the more you use them, the more wax particles are going to break up and the more supple they will get. Now, a great advantage of tin pants is that they are almost completely waterproof. So, now we're going to test just how water repellent these pants are. And for that I'm going to be using a bottle of water. So let's see here. So, these sort of pants have been around for a very long time, and they've been used by farmers, sailors, and woodsmen alike.
And one of the big pros of these sort of pants is the fact that they are very water repellent. Since you've taken wax, which in and of itself is a very water repellent material, and saturated the fibers of the fabric with that, you have successfully created a fabric that can withstand a lot of drizzle and downpour and just water in general. A con of this fabric is the fact that it doesn't breathe very well. So if you're wearing these pants in the summer or in warmer weather, it's a big likelihood that you will get a little bit sweaty in them. So you have to weigh the pros and the cons in deciding if these are the pants that you're gonna take with you when you're working or on your trip.